Sometimes we need to delete one of our verified bank account from our Payoneer dashboard where we can transfer our currencies from Payoneer.com account to our local bank account. So if you want to delete your one of verified bank account, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete a verified bank account from your Payoneer account. So coming up, at first we need to go to our Payoneer account, and after logged in, you can see here the home dashboard from this your myaccount.com/payoneer.com. After coming here, you just need to go to withdraw and convert section of Payoneer dashboard. So after that, you have to select from here manage bank accounts to delete or showing your all connected verified bank accounts. You can also connect any kind of new bank accounts from here on this plus icon or add account. Just want to click, and after clicking here, you can just put your new bank account details from here. You just have to be search by here as your country, like I'm going to selecting here Canada. Okay, then you have to put here your name here, ATB Financial Bank, Bank of Montreal, and others banks which you want to select to connect on your Payoneer account. So as we are interested in deleting our verified bank account, then we have to select one of our verified bank account which is already connected to our Payoneer.com account. Okay, so I want to delete this bank account like Bragg Bank Limited. So okay, then after selecting here, you can go over the arrow icon from here, and just you can see your all about bank details from here, and you can see the two option available on the below, which is withdraw and delete account. You can also make a withdrawal situation from here also, but you can also delete your account but not directly. You want to see that? Okay, delete account. And are you sure you want to delete Bragg Bank Limited? You cannot undo this. Delete. Okay, you can see I can remove successfully our bank account from Payoneer.com, which was really verified from our end. Okay, and yes, if you don't have any Payoneer account, you need a Payoneer account if you want to get your sponsorship payment, client payments, or freelancing payments from Upwork, Fiverr, or any other international currencies from your client to your bank account or your Payoneer account. Then you have to make a Payoneer account by using your links, because if you create a Payoneer account through our links in the description down below, then you can get a $35 bonus if you make some kind of transactions. So if you're lucky, then you are going to get $35 bonus if you are making or going to create a Payoneer bank account through our link. So check it out now. If you don't have Payoneer account, just open it up now. So if I want to delete another one from our dashboard, just as it is, you can go over here, arrow icon, and just select delete account. And this is verified bank account. To delete a verified bank account, contact us. Okay, now you can see this kind of situation. This is different for you if you are going to delete a bank account for the first time which is verified on your Payoneer account. Then you need to go them from contact us to connect with Payoneer official support team. They can help you to delete your one of verified bank account. After that, you can delete directly from your dashboard. So okay, ask a question, you can get here and send them message about your request. So select your language. We can select our language from here. You can English, Spanish, and others language, Al Arabiya and Turkiya, and etc, etc. So we are going to select our language as English, and then first name, we have to put our first name. Please use only alphabetical characters. If you use your first name and last name which is different from your Payoneer account, they can deny or ignore, or they can cancel your request. So just put your bank account name as it is your account name which is connected to your Payoneer.com account. Okay, so we are putting our first name here and last name here. Okay, so after coming here, your question or comment up to 1000 characters. Okay, so we are just putting here just a little message to Payoneer support team so that we can delete our bank account. And here you can see the options. How do I change my bank details? Here you can see send payments, withdrawal to bank, withdrawals, bank accounts, and how do I change my bank details, etc, etc. Information are selected. Just make sure you have selected this one for your deletion. Okay, so your question here, we are going to write here. You can see I just wrote here, hello Payoneer team, I want to delete this bank account from my account, from my Payoneer account, as I already have another account to transfer my currencies, and thanks. Just as it is this one, and you can also make this message or text to another format as you like to do this. Okay, so after that, if you want to choose any kind of attachment, if you want, then you can go from here, choose file, and you can attach your file also, but we don't need to do this kind of things. So we are going to select here, I'm not a robot. After coming after selecting this, just submit. Okay, sorry, we just missed one thing from the application form, which is our email address. We have to place here our official email address, which is integrated to our Payoneer account. So we are just putting our email address here, again submitting the form. Okay, our form has been submitted. Thank you for contacting us. We will review your question and reply to the email you provided. Your reference number is this. So you can copy and paste or reserve your reference number to further contact about your bank account deletion if you don't get this kind of situation to delete your any kind of bank account from your Payoneer dashboard. So then you can get this kind of reference number to contact them again. Okay, so this is the thing how you can delete your Payoneer verified bank account. If you are new here, then you have to submit this contact form to Payoneer support team to delete your Payoneer bank account, which is verified to your Payoneer.com. So this was the video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And yeah, this was our first video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and support us. See you soon.